on a project of this scale, there's a ton of details, and it is all about the documentation. Before we started using Digs, we would use Google Docs. We'd have Dropbox, a lot of like really large files. Our client might not be looking at the most current one, or the builder isn't looking at it and constantly asking us to, hey, can you resend this? With Digs, we can just sort of coach them to go back to, hey, did you check Digs? It's always the most current. So this room specifically is gonna be the party room. These builds, they take 2 years, sometimes 3. We spec'd appliances so long ago, plumbing so long ago, so having a resource to just type in, what are the specs? And it just pops right up. The amount of time it has saved is hours. Just looking for specs on a faucet or something that we need, it's just already in there, or we can ask the question and it'll populate. Then we didn't have to call our rep, they weren't in another meeting, they didn't have to resend a document. It's like, it could be 3 days of back and forth just to answer a question where you can like type it into Digs, you got your answer.